My name's Quinton, this is TradeLog, and today we're going to learn how to file trader taxes. So you have ended the tax year and you have created your reports and are ready to file your taxes. How can TradeLog help you to do that? You may have noticed right at the top of your report, Print, Copy, PDF, TurboTax, and Tax Act. We are going to talk about how you can use these different options to file your taxes. First, we will talk about Tax Act and TurboTax. We recommend a method called the 8453 method, which you can find instructions for on our support center. When you go to this page on our support center, you will see why we recommend this method. And at the bottom, you will see links to 2 other sets of instructions, which are the specific ways to use the 8453 method with Tax Act and TurboTax. Let's click Tax Act. As you see, there are step-by-step instructions for using this method, but we want to point out some limitations that we don't want you to miss. Those limitations are found at the bottom, and they mention that if you choose to e-file your return, Tax Act will allow you to attach a PDF of your Form 8949 when you are ready to submit your tax return. Please note that Tax Act has a limitation on the size of the PDF that can be uploaded of 2 to 3 megabytes. Click here to see how to generate a PDF that can be submitted electronically to the IRS. If your PDF is too big, this support article from Tax Act may help you out. Now that we understand a bit more about Tax Act, let's go to TurboTax. There's a few more steps than the Tax Act way, but it still won't be difficult to do. However, there is a limitation with TurboTax that we want to point out as well, found right at the beginning, and it says, Limitations. Be aware that amounts over $9,999,999.99 cannot be entered into TurboTax. There's a tip though. To override this limitation, break your amounts into multiple lines. It will appear in TurboTax as 2 or more 1099-B entries. The total of all lines should equal the total from Form 8949. One more thing to mention is that TurboTax does not have an option to upload a PDF, so you will have to mail the Form 8453 along with TradeLog's 8949. One more thing to note when using this method with any third-party tax program is that you do not need to import your 1099-B and your 8949. You only need to import the 8949, otherwise you will duplicate the gain and loss amounts. Last, we have the Print, Copy, or PDF method. Copy will copy the records on this 8949 and allow you to paste them into Excel or any similar program. Then, Print and PDF can be used to send reports to your accountant, mail forms to the IRS, and so on. Last but not least, make sure you have a copy of your reports for your own records. And that will do it. You have now finished the tax year and are fully prepared to use TradeLog from start to finish.